Hello everyone, Namaskar. I am Hemant Shukla and in this video I am going to explain how with the help of Rutherford's alpha ray scattering experiment one can estimate the size of a nucleus or radius of a nucleus. Alpha particle is helium nucleus and charge on it is plus 2e, where E is elementary charge. E is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, and atomic number of nucleus is Z. So charge inside the nucleus is plus Ze. Now when alpha particle is at a very large distance from the nucleus, then suppose its velocity is v. So kinetic energy K of alpha particle is equal to half mv square. Now as alpha particle approaches towards the nucleus, its velocity goes on decreasing, and at a certain distance from the nucleus, small r, its velocity becomes 0 and it is momentary at rest, and from here it returns back. So here all of its kinetic energy has been converted into electrostatic potential energy. We know that two charged particles at a distance r, whose charges are q1 and q2, then their electrostatic potential energy is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r. So here electrostatic potential energy of this nucleus and alpha particle system is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Ze into 2e upon r. This is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2 Ze square upon r. Now here all of its kinetic energy has been converted into potential energy. So this U is equal to K. So K is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2 Ze square upon r. Therefore r is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2 Ze square upon K. Now suppose kinetic energy of alpha particle is equal to 7 million electron volt, which is equal to 7 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 13 joule. Atomic number for gold, Z is equal to 79 and E is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Substitute these values in this formula and solve it. We get R is equal to 3.25 into 10 power minus 14 meter. So this is the nearest approach of alpha particle towards the nucleus. Now if we increase the kinetic energy, then this R will further decrease, and when value of R is small, so that alpha particle comes into the influence of nuclear forces. Nuclear forces are attractive in nature, and nuclear force between two positive charges, for example proton, is very strong as compared to repulsive Coulombian force between two protons. So alpha particle comes into the influence of this nucleus. Now if distance of alpha particle from nucleus is r0, then we may say that this r0 is radius of the nucleus. It is just estimation of the radius of nucleus. Radius of nucleus is in between 10 power minus 14 meter to 10 power minus 15 meter, and size of atom is 10 to power minus 10 meter, means radius of atom. So radius of atom is 10,000 times more as compared to radius of nucleus. Thanks. Have a nice day.